Here's an idea for you. If you're an artist or creator, well then set up a Patreon page and ask your fans to contribute to your projects. Patreon has been around for a number of years, and as you can see here, these people are earning money per month from their fans. Dingle Derper's getting $1,400 per month from 49 patrons. And James R is getting $980 per month from his 106 patrons. As we can see here, one of the popular YouTube channels, Grade A Under A, is also collecting money through Patreon. He's currently got 726 patrons and is getting around $5,000 per month. He sets up a goal. He has rewards that people pledge a donation to. You can pledge $1, $5, $10, $15, $20 and even $50 per month. And for each pledge, there's a different reward given. So to join Patreon, just click on the sign up button and enter in your email details. You'll then be taken to a home page, and then you want to go up to Profile and set up your page. Here you can fill in some details about yourself, but if you want to collect money from your fans, then you need to convert your profile to a content creator. In here, they'll require a few more details about who you are, your Patreon page setup, what your goals are, and what your rewards for your patrons will be. Of course, you'll also have to go to payment settings and set up a payment method to receive money, either through a credit card or a PayPal account. And once you've set up your Patreon creator account, head over to YouTube, go to your channel and click on the Edit Links button. In here, you can just add another link. We'll call this one Patreon, and I'll just use Grade A's link for now and click on Done. And then when we go back to the channel, we'll see there's a new button called Patreon. People can click on that and go directly to your Patreon page to make a pledge. It's that easy. And best of all, you can use Patreon for your Facebook page, your blog, or any other place where you have fans. Anyway, that's all I've got time for today. Go ahead and set up your Patreon page. I'll put in a link down below. And until next time, it's bye for now.